We've had a lot of progress on the pool in the last few days, and especially today when they drilled a big drainage hole for the pool. So, as you can see right there, that's the drainage hole. This is the deep end hole, and this is the shallow end. Then we got a little island, which is going to be a favorite palm tree. Reaches up to the sky. Front to the living room and the master bedroom. Some stairs that go down to that. So they got a lot of great stairs. They came out with a big noisy machine, which I had to stick on some noise canceling headphones to drill that hole today. This is the drainage hole, which they are now hooked up. Oh, just why they got this out. Drainage hole will show you. So, bit of a noisy day. I got that done. Progress on the pool. Fascinating to watch every day. They're doing a really great job. Very, very happy with it. And really pleased how fast they're working and how professional they are. We also had our electrician and plumber here today doing some last minute fixes. Hopefully they're almost done. Got a water pressurizer going in a couple of days, which will hopefully help. And so show you guys the oceans right there. And that's our pull out button. And I haven't shown you the pull out. I don't think it has a fan, which is really great in the morning when I sit here and enjoy the sunrise. I eat and have my morning drinks and all that. It's nice to have a little bit of a fan because in the mornings it's pretty quiet here. In the afternoons in the Gulf of Mexico down here in Yucatan, state of Yucatan, it gets windy. You can see. It's a little bit windy. There's nothing crazy. There's that neighbor's fishing boat that goes out and fishes with that. He doesn't always have it out, but he's had it out for the last couple of days. Really, fishing's been pretty good recently. That's the update here from Yucatan. We're kind of in the middle of the construction zone. So like today, I had to stick on my noise canceling headphones to listen to some music and watch a Netflix show. So I didn't have to hear all the pounding, this big drilling machine. They had to bring it in through the beach, actually. I didn't have to listen to it. But hey, it looks like we're getting close to a real pool. It's going to be nice right off this little patio area. We're going to be able to get in a pool. It's going to be really cool to do. All right. Hey, like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to have some more updates as we go. We're also going to be doing a steam room. And I think next year we'll stick in a formal jacuzzi. And we have a kitchen redesign. That's going to be some months from now, but we got quite a few other projects that are going to be completed and started. Before all that, we're basically living in a construction zone for probably 6 months, maybe longer. But actually the pool has been fairly quiet, except for today, because the drainage hole was very noisy. The electrician and plumber have actually been noisier because they've had to drill through concrete. Everything's made out of concrete here. And to stick in some lines, they've actually had to drill concrete. I don't know if you guys are used to that, but that is extremely noisy. No matter where you're at, anywhere in the house, it sounds horrific. And even with noise canceling headphones, it's a little bit hard. In fact, there's been some cases where we just left and went into town and they told us when they were done. We came back. And so that happens sometimes, but see you guys next time. Bye.